Hello there, welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another Facebook tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can check the list of people you've blocked on your Facebook. So it's very much simple and easy. Let me show you guys how to do this. Now let's move to our settings here and let's scroll up here and then let's tap on the settings and privacy and then let's move there. So on our settings, we move to blocking to check a list of people we've blocked so far. So now you find it down here. So we have to scroll up, scroll. It's taking time to load. Scroll. We are still not there. And yeah, we are there now. So you can see blocking here. So now let's choose blocking. Good. So here you can see a list of people you've blocked here. So if you've blocked like 500 people, you are going to see all of them, their name here. You can unblock them here, and also you can block people on this platform as well. Tap on the plus, and then here you search the name of the person you want to block. Here, their name or their email, you enter like this. It's going to search. When they appear, you just block them. You can see. So when they appear, just tap on the block and then you block them. Let me do it once again. Good, you can see. So when they appear, you just block them from this side. People that are your friend and even pages and the rest, you can block all of them here. So that's it on how you can search for people you've blocked on your Facebook account and also block people directly as well. So that's it for the video. Peace.